You know that weird fog on your skylight? The kind you just can't seem to clean off? Or maybe you've spotted a small, mysterious water stain on the ceiling right underneath it? Well, if any of that sounds familiar, you are definitely in the right place. In this explainer, we are going to break down everything you need to know about skylight glass replacement. The goal? To get you ready to tackle the problem like a total pro. So let's dive right in. So, all the great info we're digging into today comes straight from the pros at Focus on Construction. And their motto? It kind of says it all. The road to success is always under construction. I love that. And you know, when it comes to your home, a little bit of proactive construction now can absolutely save you from some major headaches down the road. Think about it. It all starts so small, doesn't it? A tiny drip, or maybe a hairline crack you can barely even see. It's so easy to just ignore it and think, I'll get to it later, right? But here's the thing, that tiny little issue could be the first warning sign of a much, much bigger and way more expensive problem brewing right over your head. So yeah, what is the worst that could happen? I think you might be surprised. Okay, first things first, you gotta know what you're even looking for. So in this section, we're gonna cover all the clues, from the super subtle to the not so subtle, that your skylight is basically screaming for help. Right, so some of these signs are pretty obvious, like a big old crack. You can't miss that. But others are way more subtle. You see that foggy condensation trapped between the panes of glass? That's a huge tell. It means the seal has failed, and guess what? Your skylight isn't insulating your home properly anymore. And even a faint water stain or a tiny little draft, yeah, those are major red flags you really shouldn't ignore. And here is exactly why you just can't afford to wait on this. That broken seal, it's gonna send your energy bills through the roof. That small leak, it can totally snowball into catastrophic water damage, start to rot the actual structure of your roof, and, create a really dangerous mold problem. We're not just talking about money here. We're talking about protecting the health and the value of your entire home. Okay, so you've spotted the signs. Your skylight is in trouble. Now what? First, don't panic. We're about to pull back the curtain and demystify the whole replacement process. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what to expect when you make that call to the pros. You know, the real secret to a skylight that lasts for ages without a single leak? It's this thing called professional glazing. Now, this isn't just about swapping out a piece of glass. Oh, no. It's about creating a perfect, absolutely watertight seal that meets all the local building codes. A tiny, tiny mistake here can turn into a massive leak later on, and that is exactly why this is a job you want to leave to the experts. So, this whole replacement process, it's like a well-oiled machine. It all starts with a super careful assessment and really precise measurements. You got to get that perfect fit. Then, after the old glass is taken out, the new pane goes in. But honestly, the most crucial part is the sealing and the flashing. That flashing, it's just the metal stuff around the skylight that directs water away. And getting that right, well, that's where the real magic happens. It creates this weatherproof barrier that's going to last for years. And of course, it all ends with a final inspection to make sure everything is absolutely perfect. And here's some good news for you. A standard replacement can often be wrapped up in just a few hours. Yeah! Now, more complex jobs, they might take a full day. But there is one wild card that can throw a wrench in the works: the weather. Specifically, New Jersey weather. The sealants they use need dry conditions to cure properly, so a rainy forecast can, unfortunately, put the whole project on hold. All right, so now that you know the what and the how, let's get to the who. Because let's be real, choosing the right contractor is probably the single most important decision you're going to make in this entire process. When you're starting your search, my best advice is to think local. Why? Well, for one, a local company can get to you way faster, which is a huge deal in an emergency. Plus, they have a reputation to protect right there in your own community, so you can bet they want to do a great job. And if anything ever comes up later on, they're just a quick phone call away, not a state over. Okay, but before you hire anyone, you've got to do your homework. First, make sure they are properly licensed and insured. That is non-negotiable. Then, go read their online reviews. See what other homeowners are saying. And please, don't be afraid to ask a ton of questions. A real pro will be more than happy to talk about their experience, give you references, and walk you through their entire process step by step. All right, let's get to the question everyone's thinking about: the money. What's the bottom line? What is getting that beautiful, clear, leak-free view of the sky actually going to cost you? The best way to think about it is like buying a car. A basic, no-frills model is going to cost less than a fully loaded luxury SUV, right? Same thing with Skylights. A small, fixed skylight, that's your basic model. A big, custom-made, vented one with all the energy-efficient bells and whistles, that's your luxury ride. Oh, and if your skylight is in a really hard-to-reach spot, well, that's kind of like paying extra for special delivery. So, this chart here will give you a pretty good ballpark idea of what to expect. But please remember, these are just estimates. The final price tag is really going to depend on your specific situation. And that's exactly why it is so important to get a few different quotes before you make any final decisions. Okay, to wrap things up, let's do a quick rapid-fire round and tackle some of the questions we hear all the time. First up, the big one. Should you repair it or just replace the whole thing? Honestly, it really just comes down to how bad the problem is. A pro can usually fix minor stuff, no problem. But if you've got a major crack, a totally broken seal, or if your skylight is getting old, say over 15 years, replacement is almost always your best bet. A new one doesn't just solve the immediate problem. It's also going to be way more energy efficient, which saves you money down the line.
Next question. Are there newer, more energy-efficient glass options out there?
Oh, absolutely. Upgrading to energy-efficient glass can have a huge impact on your energy bills. You can ask your contractor about things like low E, double or even triple pane glass, or even tinted glass. These options are designed to help keep your home more comfortable and, you guessed it, lower those energy bills.
And for our last question, once you have that beautiful new skylight installed, how do you make sure it lasts as long as possible?
You know, a little bit of maintenance really does go a long way. Just think of it like a quick seasonal checkup. In the spring, just check for any new leaks and clean off all that pollen. In the summer, give it a quick look for any heat-related cracks. When fall comes, clear away any leaves and debris. And in the winter, just make sure to clear off any heavy snow or ice. It's a really small investment of your time that will pay off big time in the long run. So, we end with this thought. Your home is your sanctuary, right? It's your safe place. Is a crack in its armor, no matter how small it seems, really worth ignoring? When you think about it that way, the choice becomes pretty clear. Don't let a small problem turn into a total disaster. Protecting your home means protecting your peace of mind. Thanks so much for joining me.